Bless up, General.
Where I deal with, man?
But there, never G. They have
you know the chap going now.
Yes, my God.
You know the chap going. That's it. Mad thing, man.
So,
yeah.
Before we start, you know, we just want to know how the God be doing over the whole Corona period and all of the something. Tell me what galang with you.
Boy, I want to tell you, say, before we start, we have to just heal up God. Because of him. You know, him a protect and guide me, my fans, them, everybody who tune in right now, you guys on the radio station, you know, the owner, you know, big up dancer room, you don't know.
Real.
She make it possible. So, big up dancer room, the cutest and the hottest ras in London. And yeah, you know, big up the people them we are Wallet, Jamaica right now, we're under lockdown, you know. And with us there, and what a day to do the interview, because you know it couldn't get no better than that. But and then again, me there I go and par with my daughter Ailey. See how they swim. Ailey, heal up the people, them, man.
Oh, I go and Ailey, big up yourself.
Ailey, I swim. I be a swim. She's swimming up. If she not going in the water,
so you know,
not going in the water, it feel good. And yeah, when me I say we're there, you know. It's been crazy in the lockdown, but you don't know you got to follow protocols because we really want to get over this thing and always not look like this thing out for going nowhere. From last year, mere people I say, yeah man, 2021 we're ready again. Everywhere open up on a lockdown. So people want to take it to God in prayer because this looks serious.
Yeah,
you understand?
Understand,
but blue tick, you don't know.
And that note, you know, Ellie, go on. Big up everyone that's popping in right now. And I want to take you back on a journey when I want to go as far back if you can remember them days, alright? So the first question.
Yeah, well, you have to remember, say, an elephant is the only animal who never forgets. And I'm talking land animal. If you are going to go in the ocean, you're going to go to the whale. If you do something to a whale, him never forget any which part of the in a whirling buck, you might remember say, are you kill me picnic, or are you did stab me with that something there, or you did tie me up with your net.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
always remember that a whale never forget. An elephant man never forget. So
alright.
Yeah, so, you know, whoever you want to take the interview.
No problem.
Never forget.
More find out which school you used to go.
Norman man, the comprehensive.
So big up all of the Norman man, the comprehensive people.
Every time.
Sometimes they make it look like some school can produce greatness, you know. You don't need to go college, you know. You don't need to have certain kind of knowledge, you know. Look how.
Yo, listen, man.
Yeah.
A Jamaica, you know. So you have to remember, say, most of the greats, them come from the garrison and come from the ghetto. You understand? And we are big up all of the teacher, them, big up to the principal, them, big up to a friend, them, we never tell with a skull. Big up to a friend, them, we still say, yo, can we jump the gate and go grab 2 patty on the road?
Yeah,
big up to the whole of our classmate, them, you don't know, yeah.
So, Ellie,
you know,
when you go to school, them time, you used to do music in a school, or where you used to?
Yeah, man. Lone bench a beat, man. All right. It's like, that's why sometimes, you know, I have to just give God thanks, because from I was about, I discovered my talent from I was about, when I was in primary school. But I'm so small, whatever. We talk when I'm on Monday now, I tell my friend them, say, yo, me a DJ, and them I say, yo, in favor Shabba, yo, I Shabba your name, but me don't want to tell them, say, Elephant Man, them call me a Savior. Yeah, you understand? Me don't want to tell them that, so my friend them I call me Shabba.
Yeah.
You see me? Yo, Shabba. Cause my favor Shabba them time, them little and black and ugly, and favor Shabba them time, they nothing pretty about the dog. You understand? Yeah, big up Shabba, the emperor, big up the king. You understand?
Real.
Big up the king, cause you don't know. You understand the king that are him.
Yeah,
the general was set it.
So,
yeah. Big up the emperor. So, big up killer same way, cause you don't know a killer to scare them. And you know, we go to school and with the Norman Manley, and you know, lunchtime.
Yeah. Best.
Some of my friends them over there, so them are not a real DJ, but you don't know, everybody can do them thing, because we all have talent. That is, you have to figure out which one you good at. Some people good at accounting, some people good at. Some people just like the ignorant sell, walk up and down and sell. Them not have to do it, them just good at, them just know them good at it, them good at having something in them and yo, slippers, shirt, and them are gonna sell you it because they have the talent. And some people good at cooking. Me can cook better enough, Chef Road.
Well, no, we are get to that later.
Listen me now. You are go. Do you remember? So come on, go. Do you remember when me do you remember? No, yeah, ball. Yeah, what you say? What you say?
We're gonna talk about a little chef in something later on because
yeah. But me just tell you, say, what we still up on the point of when we are go school if we do music.
Yeah.
What I'm trying to say is that everybody have talent. Some people, it's like, some people use up like 4 or 5 of them talent.
Yeah.
Me can cook, me can DJ.
Yeah.
I'm a great performer. You know that DJ and great performer, musician, that's one talent. Me can cook, can play football, can play basketball, can swim. It's a little thing. But like DJing was my, like, for me, I say, Father God, I want to be the biggest DJ. You know, I talk to God and I say, Father God, talk back to me. But if I tell people, I say, Ellie, I'm mad because, I say, Father God, relate back to me. I say things that happen. Them say, be a nice make and whatever, but me just have something in me when me want express to the world. And me just want to show them when me have and when me can do how crazy I am. I'm not one of them shy person there. Me not hold back. Me I make them know say, yo, when them say elephant at the whole package. So we have beat the bench them in a class and my friend them I say, but him bad. I me have a tune him. Elephant me live in the jungle. Boy, you test me with pop off your uncle. Elephant man want make you bad so. Elephant man want make you me a the elephant man. Them tell me I lick you to that. You see me? I be the first farm. Me in the first farm and things. So big up to Ninja man. Big up Ninja and Shabba. Yeah.
So that one of your first bad song where you run when you going to school.
Yeah, that's a school song.
Yeah.
School and housing scheme song. Yeah. Don't I see you them time there. You see me? And big up Ninja man because as you can see, the inspiration I come from this to Ninja, Shabba, Super Cat, Buju Banton, one of the goddamn killer. Although we and killer part them time, the killer come be one of the biggest general and you don't know, one of the biggest road magul we look up to. Rate him to the ground. You understand? To big up killer same way too. And yeah, you know, and thing and it's like they in a school and we are DJ and friend them I say, but boy, Ellie have a vibe, you know? And thing and boom, from school now to down a sea view. But then at the rubbish heap a DJ. So you have Elephant Man, Jungle Rat, Peony Wally. Cause you know when I get so with name the name
Peony Wally did a bad artist, we don't know what that name there.
Big up Peony Wally and Jungle Rat, Sea View, Vietnam, see?
Yeah, man.
You have a bed the name Crack Skull.
Yeah.
Him come empty in rubbish and see we in a rubbish heap and we are DJ and we are lick the pan them.
Yeah.
So him say, you know, sir, I have a studio around my yard, but them time there is the tape, the big component set them, the tape them where you plug in the mic and him have, but that time it was cassette, there was no CD and no thumb drive, that no exist yet. You see me?
Yeah.
That no exist. Them time me about 10, 11, me about 12, me about 10, me about 11, 12. So you see how long as a little youth, you know, as a little youth. So him go around him yard and carry and him put it in the rhythm and, you know, we are DJ and we are say, what? Them time the sea view now, the house them dead, but not a lot of people move in Sea View Garden yet. So
yeah,
we capture one of the house them and we turn it now, we look a dancehall thing like him get a component set now and we call it Stereo 2, big up to Crack Skull, you understand? And him really coach me in the thing. So Crack Skull, Shabba yard the writer, so my yard there, so Crack Skull yard there, so Bounty Killer yard there, 3 minutes up the road. So what I will live at phase 1.
Yeah.
We start selecting at the little empty room, the man. He come think call the part few style, you don't know, and My love is till the end of time. And we are going like people in that, you know? So we are training ourselves. We are, yo, no, big up the man, them I drink them Guinness. Yo, big up Ninja Man just walk in at the place. Big up Shabba Ranks, big up Quote the Melody, you know? Time, this magic. Mama, now we come to part 2 style, Ray. That's why me can DJ, so. Because I'm coming from the school where I learned to DJ from them time, the pan them rhythm that to know. If you have a rhythm where you get elephant man and me can ride it, me top DJ. Like wherever me go, if me do a one drop now, me can do a one drop and it go #1. I just did a weed song for Bobby Candas and trust me, me can do a girl song now and a number. Like anyway, that's why I do so much song. Like this minute you hear me depend. Bad man a bad man. And when a rad man, no, bad man, a freak man. Cause I'm challenging my talent. Then you hear me going, you too bad mind. We are born bad mind. Run, we hypocrite. Then you hear me come on, you know. Then you hear me change it back and I go, over the wall. Bad man run put in farm and not something. Me can go gun. Girl, then me can go gimmicks. Me come and say, them say the truth hurt. Okay, so I'm challenging my talent. I'm challenging my talent because that's why Elephant come get DJ of the year 5 times, win Source Award, sell gold, good to go album, go platinum, worldwide. These are where you can Google and see. Cause you know, you understand? And make every artist in the world can call Ellie and say, we want to be a part of it. You know?
From the beginning where you are the P, and all that stuff there, right?
So when
the studio now, because you notice
what you know now?
Yeah.
So when we do our stereo thing, Killer a pass go down a back bush, down the fisherman them ends. Killer a pass with the mice, them and them people we have the boat, them and them I go see. So Killer the man go see and do him, you know, and thing and ever pass and see where DJ up. My brother name Ropey Ranks. Him say, yo, a Killer bad DJ now, Bounty Hunter. Bounty Hunter, them time a Bounty Hunter name and a Killer yet. You see me? And thing and come off the pass our studio for go down a same lane.
Yeah.
Yeah, Parrot Pathway and Thunder Pathway. Killer live in a Thunder Pathway up the road. So I have to pass where we there DJ and I do a thing. You see me? I mean I tell you say, if Frank Killer come, the one time the man hold the mic with his stadium. But when Killer hold the mic, remember me I lick you them time they said we but me I tell you say from Killer hold the mic, we could have see like the league where him run past we and everybody with the other little studio they like the man just so talented, you understand? Until some little sound in a see if you start cut some dub with him and him go find a thing name from your ramp with you play with the wrong tie. Oh, say you with a dead boy, mom, you will go get this try. Hey, give me the gun, me shot the hero. Then you know, and it actually run see if you until now, cause you ask me, oh, when the first time I go studio, Killer them start go studio now. You have Killer and Dynamite them start go studio and Nitty Coach them and Harry Toddler them. You know, first time I go studio now, them camera got jammings. And camera got jammings now. Me say Admiral Bailey, me say everybody ride a little bicycle from Seaview, cause Seaview and Waterhouse about. If we are gonna ride about 10 minutes and we reach about 10 minutes, little youth and thing and me have evening shift and morning shift. So me depend morning shift, so I forward, I come home 12 o'clock, so I can go studio, you understand? Come and think I go studio. Yeah, cause when I depend morning shift, so I forward as my class done, boom, me just jump on a bus, save you, reach. So I did by school over by 12, so I reach a save you by 1, boom, jammings. Admiral Bailey, Tiger, time I say Tiger. You have Junior Cat, you have everybody. You see me? And thing and it's like when me see it, me I say, Father God, when I what is as I look at you, me just rub my John. I said, John, remember them time they kill no bus yet, you know?
Yeah.
Bicycle killer riding on one green and black polka dot bicycle, you know. Me can't forget. Everyone we have a bicycle. Yeah, bus killer no bus yet. So boom now. Up there and thing and you have me a the DJ with the Rockstone Vice Pompidou. Me see in a studio. You have Tolo T. No give me no, give me no, give me no. Me don't want no steak, me don't want no beef, me don't want no chicken, but give me the air with all the people pick up down in the turn to Irie them, Toloti them, you have Quenchade them, run it to its Penny Irie. Be a top people.
So,
Major Christie.
you get a 50
Oh, I feel no. Admiral Bailey. Well, I never forget the joke. Admiral Bailey. Remember, I no killer no boss yet.
Yeah.
But then I say, pull up. I remember, you have 3 somebody when I want to meet.
Yeah.
Baby Wayne.
Yeah.
Ninja Man.
Yeah.
Shabba Ranks don't live side of me already.
Yeah.
Shabba carry me go everywhere and Shabba the general.
Yeah.
Don't know killer way and killer apart. And Bojo. Anyway. Me there the student say, a crowd of man, swarm one man. And him just a DJ him life away. But him I want shut up jeans. Remember cut up jeans around the place them time there?
Yeah.
Him not have a big chain and a big ring like the whole of the man. Remember them time they had 300 chain and ring and man them have bracelet come down to. You see me? Him just normal.
Yeah, man.
Within dressing. But you see, lyrics, attitude, that thing name. Me the man say, remember him not DJ, nothing when bust with him. Remember me not know him, because I never see him yet. Because them time they don't have a video phone, nothing like that. You have to buy a video cassette. And me not gonna dance because me a little youth. You understand?
Really?
Me not have no video in my yard yet neither. Just TV and JBC. We are poor mother. We are poor mother. Girls, okay? So, yeah, so big up me Siva and my mother. And, so me hear him and me I say, oh, everybody, they run him. And so much big star there. When me look me, I say, yo, them never know after the Rasta man fast. The ball head goes a whoop with a knife. And it took off of the Rasta man heart. Them say him dead. The Rasta man say, no, it only lift up the skin part. And I say, oh, the money we bad so. And them say, baby, wait. I say, Jesus, come and chat. Bloop. And I say, oh, my God, that. Baby, wait. Me and him turn, look, me and him turn virgin, so.
Yeah.
Me keep my school dance at Seaview. Him there, the whole of them. The man end up living in my house at Seaview. You see me? Because me have my house plus me have another house. Where you don't know the thing go.
Yeah,
2 house, me have my house me build up. But my mother them there, me have my house where gangster house that baby we dead so. So me and baby and turn virgin that for sure just destiny way. To me rate the man, you see me? Boom now. See I can't drive up again. With a tall man come out and him ear cream and go way back. And him teeth full of gold, you can't see no white. It's like how me can do so.
Yeah.
I just see white teeth, sir.
Yeah,
There's no white. You have beer crown and beer sitting and gold. And now you have to all gold. I think named Ninja Man. I said, Jesus Christ. The minute that idol here. Remember, we not get killer. Killer not bust yet, you know. Yes, so jamming that the place. No, killer they are jamming down killer do to and go find a thing name. Killer find a thing name. What me say? New gun Richard, wicked man burst. You understand?
Yeah, man.
When killer find that, you know. Then you know so the things start bubble now. So you know the killer start bust. And then you have weird them little friend them. You understand?
Yeah.
So, you know the thing I get mad and killer do to know and say, yo, give me the world and take the world for himself.
Yeah.
When killer take the world for himself, there's no looking back. I just bounty killer of the whole globe and lock. And then the man make them know, say, yo, me now left my little G, them, not Scare Dem Crew. And me I say, yo, come we go die up with ear.
Yeah.
Me come with the idea. And I say, come we go die up with ear, yellow. You know, like image,
different.
we need to stand out. We need to stand out. All of it can't look the same. We don't have killer already, but we want when killer same friend them, when people go home them for member and me carry. But me know say there is a Scare Dem now go do it. So me tell Harry Toddler and me and him ride with scooter go half a tree.
Yeah.
Them time we have scooter no one thing. Ride with scooter go half a tree and Sandra Lee yellow up the 2 hour ear. The night it was
Big up Sandra Lee, man.
Big up Sandra Lee. That night it was thing. When me already live at TV, Harry Toddler forward. So when we walk up, when we walk up a killer, to go meet killer. Killer say, oh, where the fuck are the children? And I be able to laugh and I say, yo, where the man them to the bed? So I just me and Harry Toddler. That my damn coach not have no yellow ear yet. So kill man say, what? Killer say, what the man them go to the med man? Yo, I mean I say Toddler. That's all it my I go see. So when killer say, yo, how am to know? 5 o'clock in the morning, killer for perform him. Tell me now work unless my friend them go out there. I say 5 o'clock in the morning. The dog believe in him friend them and them on stage scare them. I say when we run out, well I don't care for you now. Who the hell is this patient? And the whole of things say, oh them crazy people here. The whole of things I say, you know, Me over here, so I climb and I tear down over there, so Coachy I sing with the big voice, then the mic over there, so Toddler over there, so
Yeah,
and Killer they run back with the prefer say, yeah man, not take it to them. Cause one thing, when Killer believe in him, believe in you, you know.
For real.
If Killer say, you are go boss as an artist and him believe in you, me can tell you, I go boss. Because him have the art there, him is that real, you know. Him believe in something, him believe it. Him not believe and have doubt and them thing there with it. I not killer that. You see all them twin the way to killer with, the two girls, the twin them, we used to killer with, from about 25 years now or so, him believing at them when till them go till the casket close.
For real, for real.
I know them, I just the music now want to give the girl them a run.
For real.
Them better than enough idiot what me say.
For real, for
and
real.
Killer not believing in nobody where no have it. Him see something at them where you not see.
And I
you understand?
Right now as an artist.
Yeah. So believe me, because them time that them say be a night me make and Killer still say something in me. Him believe in me. Him could have said, I be a night tell them make, but him believe him never yet tell me that one day.
But
you understand?
Me have a question. The first song where you got voice in a studio, what was that
first
song?
I'm a voice. Alright, I live at Seaview. I'm doing our little studio, doing a Crack Skull. Admiral Captain Barkey, condolence to Captain Barkey.
For real, for real.
Captain Barkey. Them voice pan a rhythm for a producer from foreign name Shalom. From Managi bun, and I get back bun, and I nothing that call it. Bun fi bun, chew bun, master, me ma drink beer rum, chew bun. Make 20, big up Captain Barkey, big up Wickerman, condolence to Captain Barkey, big up Barkey family, him kids them. Great youth, Wickerman, big up yourself. And, you know, so, and go off the pan the rhythm, do you remember? Look at it, sometimes the snow comes down in June, but sometimes the sun goes round the moon. And so them I say, the producer look at DJ, him want a dancing tune. I mean, I say, dancing tune? And the first tune me ever do is a dancing tune. So that means say, everything is just destiny. Me do a tune. Me I say, excitement and I'm dosing at the dance. Girl that jump and broke out and do the butterfly dance. Matey can do it cause matey belly hungry. Be a bag juice in a matey belly. Matey can do it cause matey belly hungry. Matey belly flap and marky me see. Matey a do it but I know she not try that a rap but I know so you do the butterfly. Yo, guess what? Me now live a Seaview. Me a play ball on the corner. I'm here. Excitement and I'm dosing at the Gary G.
I beat it.
Every day, Mighty Mike.
See
every day. My friend now say, elephant, you both here, did you that? Me run up and down in the video, you know me. I fuck them dirty like, me have to get the cooking out quick. Jesus Christ. I mean that on the radio and me in some tube shots, black and dirty, and with the CV and just I come from Kane Priest to Thief to Kane and me what I say, you that excitement and I'm talking. Me I say, wait them man, no sir. Because I'm tell you, the producer label, remember him just bust with Barky them and Ghost them and Loki them. You understand?
Yeah.
Anyway, brother, when me do some boom and thing and it a go on wicked on the radio now, you know, killer them they are jamming, but to me still I go school.
Yeah,
so me I fear go school, so me I miss out past studio a lot. You see me? So me I go school, so me I miss out past studio, but killer them I go school. One day now, Shabba I do ting-a-ling-a-ling. If you watch ting-a-ling-a-ling video, and you see Shabba walking on the pathway, you see a van in a yard, and my yard that.
Yeah.
And my little yard that. No play with me. Where the van parking and one van where you used to run from Panistone Road, guy Rockford. One man park it. Yes, so the man now know to park it, him name Mr. Face and park it in my yard. And the best thing him ever do, because him turn it in my little studio and I go and bad and Shabba ranks come now and killer them they are jamming down. Right, come. Walla will left jamming down, come down and see you. And Shabba do ting-a-ling-a-ling. You know him I do the video. With the power bicycle and Shabba up on the stage. And Shabba say, Bounty Killer. Him say, Mama Ivy, big up yourself, cause a whole heap of food are going in your pot. Bounty Killer. Me I hear you. Youth, you go run the place. Youth, you go do it. Youth, you do it. Bounty Killer. A year time. I mean, I say, huh? And Killer, I say, huh? And all the way, I say, huh? Everybody I look for one another, then they might look for him, coach it. I say, Barky, they made there to Grandman, they made there car. holy party, you know Shabba, them rate Shabba like that.
Yeah.
But when Shabba kick at the button, from there some man a trouble. And when we hear Shabba of the king of DJ say that, our friend, and a foreign Shabba say, I hear you. So when you hear a man of foreign, you know. So me I say, no, sir, all right. So no, with their jammings, and we say, we want a name. And we say, frighten them. And we say, yo, run out pan them. Yo, dopey crew. Yo, I say, yo, I scare, Uncle, I say, yo, I scare, we are scare them, scare them, yo, I scare them, scare them, not pretty. When me say scare them crew, everything, the killer say, I scare them, man, I want to, no. And the ear done, you understand? And think, all right, bro, you know, long me not go black here. Me the yellow here for about 20, me the yellow here for about 25 years or 20 years now.
You don't know if you, well, I don't know if you have great ears at all.
Me not go grey, me not old man, what you do to me? Grey not ready for come round, I say it. Yo, when grey go? Grey not ready for come, I say it. Good, nice young little youth man. Grey not ready for come, I say it. But, you know long me not see a sign of that black ear there. Me don't know the black look, bro. Me don't know black, me don't know the black hair look, how you go grey.
I know the real like you cut something out where nobody else not do. You see that's something where you do? It's like nobody see them do it.
What that?
Your ear style, everything, you know?
Bro, can't ear work. You see from me, like, you know, coming up in the music, me have ideas. So me I say, if Buju Banton are the king of DJ, Bounty Killer come be the baddest thing, you still have Papa San, you still have Lieutenant Stitchy, Admiral Bailey them, Baby we and the baddest thing. There's so much competition. When me I go stand, come we color up with ear, come we do something when nobody not do. No artist now ride no scooter and pretty top. Nobody now wear no gloves with the ring pan it. And me take the gloves and put the ring pan over the gloves. You see me when you watch many videos and them things that so with us always I just try always to be creative. Even if you look on my stage show performance them coming up with my suit them and how me dress, me try stand out because when me see Shabba ranks them on stage, the clothes and the lean Bobby Brown hairstyle stand out. When Ninja Man walk out on stage and stand up with him sticks so for 5 minutes and I be a gunshot and be a forward and clappers and him not say nothing yet. And when he walk me mouth and say, wanna see the Dan Gorgon coming? Wanna see the Dan Gorgon coming? Wanna see the Dan Gorgon coming? And him not move, him not do nothing, glass still catch you so all night long, all night long. Una hear me? I go and kill them and done, and the whole place done. And me I say, if me are going to music, me need some of that greatness there. If I'm not gonna have some of that greatness to my image and my name and my thing, me don't want it. Me don't want to come be a man where them say, okay, that was him in music. Me want to come make my mark. And by making your mark, you have to have image. You have to have swag. You have me could have come on the interview regular. You know one look a pop down long neck, white shirt, a lockdown winner. You not get that from me. You're lucky you not get the whole of the ring them on my finger. You shouldn't even get no, but me not try show you say. We not try to show you to all me. Remember me, said thirst is nothing. Image is everything. See, I want to take image serious. You have to get the Gucci. Circle neck in a sonnet. This is normal. I wicked more wicked to myself.
So
I wicked more wicked to myself. Circle neck in a sonnet. You still get the watch. Diamonds forever. You still get the ring. You still get the bracelet. None of them in a call for winning a lockdown. Nobody knows nobody.
When are the first time you get your first break out of Jamaica? When you say, yo, you fly out for the Jamaica.
First time it went Scare Dem Crew, leave Jamaica and go Bermuda. We go Bermuda. You see me? And we are me, Harry Tadler, Nitty Kochi, Boom Dynamite, and Determine. Because Determine was a part of Scare Dem Crew at the time, you know. But when him start Ras and him start Ras and go a separate way, we love him. But we were friends like that. So we said, come Determine, we not left you out. And him a go and good at Bermuda too. So Soldier One Magic bring him. So me Determine, Harry Tadler, Boom Dynamite, Nitty Kochi. We go Bermuda. When we done Bermuda now, buy up we chain them. The first time this we go up on a plane, you know, the first time ever we do the show at Bermuda at a place named the Clay House. Big up everybody from Bermuda. Them just lick down the Clay House and turning it I hear for them I turn it now, car park. Big up Bermuda, the first place. When we coming back, we go to Jamaica, we stop. We went through Miami and we asked the immigration, say, can give we a run in New York for a week, we are going back, but we want. Him say, yeah. Danny might have him green card. So him say, all right. As long as him, you know, and him let through the whole away. I will go and we got done one and do a portion to dub plate. Then we go back to Jamaica. So that was the first show we ever do. First time I go on a plane.
So how was the reception? Because the first time I leave Jamaica.
No match the place, mash up, man. We are on the place at Bermuda. We are on the place at Brooklyn. We are going wicked. But you know, a killer them and the man said we are the both of them, yeah. But we are come up now the thing and we are going good cause. As me say, we do whole heap of dub play. We make whole heap of money. Yeah. We have whole heap of chain. We are staying in a big bad hotel where we want to stay because we have our money. So we are going good, bro. Anywhere. Boom and thing, you know, scare them. I come back to Jamaica. Scare them, I go until scare them. You know, everybody say them I go them ways. So you have Elephant Man now. So now, me, I go get the real break now.
Yeah.
Where? Yeah. Solo. Me, I go get the real Elephant Man solo break. Show them what you were made of. You understand?
Yeah.
This little madded one, you know, when I'm Elephant, when me go on stage and me I pop out the sponge, then me I drop the cameraman, me jump like crowd, me I do something. Cause me I try show the people them say, I want you all to full enjoy yourself, enjoy your money, and when you go home, you never talk about this little crazy kid until you see me again at the next show. Yeah. Bro, me go find a thing named Lagan. I'm going to Miami. And me and Killer go on tour. The tour go on wicked. Killer came up on tour. We're going good. So the experience dead there, you know. And the energy dead there. My youth, the tune them start do. You know, we go Lagan. We go bombing. We ride there. Elephant. Everybody afraid to fly through the bombing. So the tune them are forward. But this is when the music I got change now. When me give them a thing name, I've seen enough dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've seen enough dance before, but other one that come top the list. Blue tick, real bad man, now your people pants with them. And the river, down the flank, yeah. This is when me do the red carpet and Jennifer Lopez run me down and drop. And me take her up and say, Mommy, take time, man. We all on the red carpet, Mommy, man. And she say, oh, Ellie. She said, Ellie. And I'm like, Jesus Christ, no. But the judge said, when me and the lemon come out to the red carpet, everybody come out, oh, Usher, oh, red. Me, I said, if me get one of that, nobody can tell me, say, me no boss worldwide. When me step out there and lemon here, Ellie. I see, I get a choke, that's Ellie. Can you know the yellow? Oh my God, Ellie. And the camera them just say, look now. The camera them just say, to the right. I must say that's what I get from. I must say that's what I get Willie Bounce to the left. The camera them the song. Right. And them time there, you have a thing named VP slash wait a minute, VP and cause I the two of them that have my album, VP and what the company name with have Sean Paul album, VP and Atlantic. So me have Atlantic Records people them there with me. And I feel so good because me see gyal a drop on red carpet, gyal a drop over the stand. Them, I said, we there. Okay, all right. Me and them. So Elephant, you boss. Cause they don't know we not really make the hype get to we, but we give God thanks. I'm ever humble, I'm ever easy. Cause if you notice, you never yet see me on a live. You never yet see me a try be a cloud chaser. You never yet see me a buy out argument with unless you go on Elephant Instagram. All of the fans them go follow me on Elephant Man Jamaica. And if I come on my Instagram, you see me. Me not go live, me not do them thing they call me not cloud chaser. Elephant Man a done star. So me a star already. Me not have to do certain thing and me not have to try to be a 9 to the people. Me not depend that, bro. Me keep it 100% real artist, real music thing. Me not depend the cloud thing and the joke thing and the bag of mix up thing and we a gangster. Me not depend that, bro. You understand? So everybody go follow me on Elephant Man Jamaica. Yeah.
Logging in on the radio station. Remember this, go follow me on Instagram.
Remember when you got BT now? Me not go for perform yet, you know. Me just go because my album are going good. There come to have me reach back at Jamaica, Janet Jackson call me and say, yo, me need it on the album. Say, all right. There come the next BT award come round. Them say, oh, Janet, why you not perform? I say, all right. Boom, BT award. Them come out.
How you feel when Janet call you?
Listen, me know. No, me a star, moon, planet, me a everything. No, me a, because last time when Jennifer Lopez run and drop on the carpet, I was star. No, me turn moon and planet. I am planet. I am Neptune. Anyway, when me reaching now and thing, I say, look away and yo, Ellie. I mean, I say, yeah, them time the look away and just relax up. Look away and Brandy, yo, Ellie and 50 Cent, them and everybody. But this is what make my night now. When Janet Jackson did it, don't stop, shake it like you're in taxi. I'm a bust the box on them. Yeah. I wish I never thought, oh my God, it's Ellie. Cause my bridge in the side of me, carry bugle. Me did carry bugle. Me carry singing Craig. Me carry Deja Vu and me carry Ninja Kid.
Yeah.
Me carry them, got the award show with me. So them in the crowd, sitting inside. They don't know when I left with friend them, whatever, you know, and thing. When we done now, we mash up the show now and thing and Ray. Janet said, Ellie, somebody want to talk to you. Take the phone, give Ellie the phone. So me take the phone here. Oh, Ellie, oh, I love what you did for Janet. This was the best performance I've ever seen. Me I say, Me say, oh, this. Me say, oh, this. Oh, Ellie, it's Mikey. Me say, gee, somebody catch me. I mean, so, look now, I'm in Japan. My manager run out, catch him. I said, don't make him drop. That's a fun him. Somebody said, who not said this? No, nobody, me don't want nobody ramp with me with Michael Vikes. I'm here, and then I laugh. Ellie, you so funny. Ellie, it's Mikey. I just want to congratulate you and Janet. I love what you do for my little sis, Ellie. This is the best show. Ponder Revive, my favorite song, Ellie. You got to show me some of them dance moves. Me say, oh no, ramp with me now. Oh, me fi show Michael Jackson dance moves. Oh no, oh no, leave dance alone. Jesus name. Michael Jackson, woo, I got to be started something. You get to be started something. You try to get over. Oh, me fi teach the dance move. But me teach because you know what? Before when we were doing the BT rehearsal, Janet Jackson book a different rehearsal and say, yo, Ellie, I need you to teach me all the moves them, you know? And all the moves them are over your head and the, you know, and the blast them and the rock and the thing them. So me I teach her everything. So that's what she did, you know, and everything choreographed because we did have it lock. So Mikey did the animal say, yeah, and when the phone hang up me, I say, yes, Father God. Really? Say, all right. I say my phone ring. Usher want me and him go up on tour. Me don't know Usher from nowhere. Usher don't know me from nowhere. Well, him know Ellie. Yeah. When them pick me up, when I fly out and I reach New York, my friend Dottie pick me up. Came I go Madison Square Garden same time because I'm birthday and them want me, him, Little John. That's the first time I go meet Puffy. Puffy see me. So when I reach Usher up on stage at rehearse, this is when I know the dance hall run the world. Usher rehearse, and when I reach, I'm walk through Madison Square Garden door. Usher say, Ellie, I'm ready. And him do so. And him a spin with it. And I say, I just say, them can't trick me. Dance all to the world. So I may always give God thanks and praise because I see the thing keep on climbing and I feel like the angel when put over me, him just keep on, you know. Him just keep on.
When you look back on your life, but listen, you're in the gully, I kick something and I beat some stuff.
Bro, this is where I come from.
Yeah, you understand?
When I go out a cane piece, go teach cane and ranger fire shut off away, and I come back and eat cane and hear the song on the radio, the first dancing tune I do. So you see where the thing I come from anywhere. The night, Madison Square Garden sold out, Pitbull, the whole away, Puffy them, everybody, Jennifer, the biggest. Remember Usher run the place.
Yeah.
See, Chris Brown come yet. Usher run the place. When Usher run the place, when them call on Elephant Man, and me and Little John just do the big remix. You know if you do them, dance and take it to them signal the plane, you have to do them and Little John and Yin Yang Twin, 369, then Madison Square Garden are good. And I said, Madison Square Garden, lock off the light. I've seen no dance before, but I never real bad man. And the whole of Madison Square Garden I go down the flank. I say, huh? Yo, my head swell, me turn idiot. Puffy see me. And Puffy say, huh? That boy, yeah. Anyway, I do some boom and thing and at 97 reggae tip, me, Sean Paul and Junior gang the backstage before me go on. Me say, Puff Daddy. And when them Chris Tucker, the one who come in a rush hour, they come back there and Puffy say, I come for you, Ellie. Me say, huh? What do you mean? He say, yo, the whole New York say you got to go see this kid named Elephant. He's the craziest thing we've ever seen on this planet. This kid got no holding back. Him head not good. You need to see this man performance. You need to sign him. This is the craziest kid ever. And I'm like, okay. You come. I rank thing you tell me. When them turn on stage, Ellie, Puffy over the VIP with an iron and beat the stage and me and mash up the place. Me just say, yo, Puffy, come here on stage and call Puff Daddy. And I say, I want 2 big girls who weigh 500 pounds. Because I want him lift up top me heavy to kill him. I want something where pop him down, but the boy Puffy fit. Big up Puff Daddy. Yo, much love, man. Big up Puffy anyway. Big up the whole bad boy entertainment. You don't know shit. You know the chat go. I say, run, come, and the girl, them run, come, you know, our style, and jump and Puff Daddy, and the man hold it, and I say, Puffy, juke it. Them talk about it for 1 month straight. There come the nether at 97 reggae tip. Them say, yo, a little boy named Chris Brown now. And me give Chris Brown another big girl, and him hold it, and Chris Brown mother say, Ellie, no, please, don't do that, my son can't take. And me and Chris done bridging. Me and Usherton bridging, and me make Chris Brown and Usherton friend a reggae sumfest. Me call up the 2 of them on stage. Usher call up me and me call up Chris Brown, because Chris Brown work the Friday night and Usher was working the Saturday.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. And thing so. And me make them come turn friend and thing. You understand, so?
So Ellie.
The work, bro. There come hold on, the album for Puffy signed me, and that's my first nomination album me ever get for Grammy. Media Jamaica now a restaurant and me and our second Grammy nominee from Jamaica for dancehall, Elephant Man, me nearly faint. Yeah. My album I did for Puffy. I think called Let's Get Physical. Yeah, man. My second album after Good to Go.
So, listening all of the history where there was so much talent in the dancehall back in the days that you started, you know what I mean? Now, if you were to look and to even make a comment, up to you if you want to comment about it. What's the difference between back then and now?
Well, I think it was more hardcore back then. Hardcore, like it was more hardcore and more competitive. Them time there, like it competitive and hardcore, but we were all friends. When you have a thing named Fully Loaded, you see Cartel, Elephant Man, Bounty Killer, Buju, Spraga, everybody on stage one time, and we are deal with it. You see me? Yeah. Every show, I saw we are deal with it. Every show, every man around the place, but I saw we are deal with it because we understand the music and we know what it takes to keep the fans them entertained, and we know what the music need, and we know the formula, and we are friends. Even though sometimes we might have a little ups and downs and Ray, but we are still friends. We know when it comes for time for sure. If you type in Elephant, Cartel, Bounty Killer, them and even the last 10, 20 show, you're going to just be a show come up. Cause so we used to do it. Tin. Nowadays, I think it's kind of like a suffer because, trust me, when you talk about mash up show and show, so you have Wayne Marshall, so you have the man that want, so you have Cartel runner, so you have Elephant runner, you have runner, you have Movada runner, you have Killer runner, you have a problem, man, bro. You as a fan in the crowd, I feel all of that, and I get all of that for your money, bro. You can't pay for that, my G. So you have to cherish them moments. So them time that to now, I think it was more hardcore them time. They are more energetic stage show wise, and like if you compare a stage show now to them time, the bro, nobody not jump again. Artists just go on stage and do them thing and come off. Them time they be a jump and climb and mad thing and
I like
Sizzler. Cause we are Sizzler. Enough show we are Sizzler. The We Killer Cartel Sizzler them. I just the formula and the energy and the routine what we used to run with for the show them. When we know it's a time ago and you have 8 big artists and the hour you now go share for the 8 away. Come we just team up and just play play a ball game.
Yeah, for real. And I'm like the fact that when you just touch a while ago, say, yo, basically the performance of artists, because in my opinion, no, I'm not seeing that performance. The people now get a performance level there again, and everybody have the something because
yeah, like if you watch the last Reggae Sumfest when me do, if you look on my performance, it's like I am for somebody in one tour me at work. This minute me na the goal, me na the gladiator suit, then me take it off, me na one pasta something, then me take it off, me na one nether, me up there, so me dead, so me. So it's like, you know, the energy where we bring to the thing, bro. That's why dancehall will always be dancehall and always nice from we there, because the energy that we bring, nothing can take away from that. Like with the Jerk Festival in New York and the rain come down, and I say, people, whoa now go. Well, we are going to run from the blessing. We don't pay money for come to energy. We are run. I'm just dash from my shoes. In the rain, I've seen enough that me and the people, them down the flank people are rolling in mud. Where I don't care. Can I go wash me up when me done? We that, bro.
So
we that.
We're going to touch 2020. No. More know what song that people feel look out for right now from Ellicott. The know that energy got ready. Give me
2021. No, we can't give you one. You beat me. Give a couple songs. Alright. You have a thing named Italian Badness. Juglad Badness. Cigar flip them big and fancy. Girl take 50 caliber for me. With a bad girl pretty like Chensey. After we get them girl, we breathe up. Then we ease up, check with money. Breathe up, 30 piece fast. Yo, blue tick. Jump out of bed, go on dinner. Million a day da. Quick, when yam them food. Blue tick I want talk make. And that's from claim records. From the claim records. Now you have another thing named tell me you want me turn up the party, yeah. Tell me you want me turn up the party, yeah. The party, yeah, sweet God, no girl, no feel good if she's not blue.
Ellie, hold on. It's TEAMBLUE for one. And you see that song when you turn up the party, yeah?
Hey, you see you? That ram with me, a TEAMBLUE, oh, and a blue tick.
But hold on, no. But we're going to chop that song there.
You know the chap go. I love to see the girls.
This is a brand new song.
That's what I said. I'm going to few. What will you do? What will you do?
Ready?
Big Joe.
And the radio raps up. So that song, I'm a brand new song from the things the elephant did done. The thinking pan and back down and corona. That song, I take it out.
Big up Virtual Records.
Why am I not play this song further when Elephant give me the live performance? Everybody knows so. Elephant, perform that song.
Girl, come, climb, funny, anaconda, please, ma. Touch your toe, then freeze, ma. Oh, the pump, they pump up, so I must see beach ball. My God, I must see beach ball. Yeah, me rough it up and top it up until it reach her. My God, until it reach far. Yeah, she said she love the new topping when me teach her. Hey, you know that when it come to wine, you don't fit bounce it in the video, light your thing. Boom, boom, it above up your thighs. You make dead cocky come to life. Warm up, warm up. Warm up, baby. Listen, my man. Hear me, man. TEAMBLUE. Hear me now. I be things, man. I be things. Trust me.
So is this on an album you're working on, or what is it?
No, it's just all singles for that one. That one is Birchill Records song. Birch, big up Birch.
Yeah, man,
you see me? And the Italian Badness, that's on the Claims Records.
What's the
then
name?
You have Boom Boom. We can't let out World Boom Rhythm. Boom Boom. I think name new brand beam I just start up. Button press straight down to the spark plug. Peanut butter leather. Soft so. Them said it name Blessing. So I just beer song, beer it's
no,
the Blessing.
I'm gonna drop that in a few.
Yeah.
A song name She do it. She do it again.
Yeah. All right, here what? You think she do it?
Yeah.
The reason why I wrote that tune is like when I went out to a party for the New Year's. And when I was in the party, it was all girl whining on girl having fun with girls. Them come over have fun with us too. But it's like most of them, it's like the girls them just having fun and them quicker fit enjoy themselves with each other, because I don't know if some of the man them aggressive, and as you can see, right now we're upon some moon in Jamaica because them just rape a little girl and kill her, and you know, right now we just say, yo, a fire for that boy, the police them have him in custody and thing, and we want if nobody else involved, them forget beaten too, and them forget the belt cross them, but the police them for find them and them forget prison. Because you make enough father either hurt them, and you make enough mother either hurt them, because you don't know where we kids them, bro. What kind of dash way in a bush? No, in the 21st century, where you come dash with a little girl in a bush and them thing there. So you have to the people them can't walk the bus stop again. Not do with that, so you know, yeah. And things. So she do it, it's a song where for the girls them out there will just love party, we are full joy themselves. Sometimes you will see them a full joy themselves, and you will say, yo, I wonder if I feel a girlfriend that are Rihanna must have a girlfriend or best friend, but some girls just party on the edge, them party wild.
So people, we're going to hear that song with him.
She do it.
She said, Ellie, no shop with me, please. Why? Me say, girl, where you mean?
It's a brand new song for
Tonight you want me at me. She's a them girl, you might look good to jump on them a real free. Look good on them on the road, but when them on that is shit. Them a freak, 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 them a freak. Anything where you want, you will do it, you will do it, you know, see them a fucking yo, off boy, ready? Where you mean, where you mean? Tonight you want me to leave like that. She's a freak. Your time.
Them you might look good, but no for them a real freak. Look good when them out the road, but when them on that the shit. Them a freak, 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 them a freak. Anything where you want, she will do it, you know, see, them a freak. You a talk about good girl, but she not do it. She go sneak out when you go sleep. She go wine and broke that like she want to see it. We say sorry that you know what see. That's how you owe me. Me not have to do no pedicure to get me to a clean or beach and least when the liquor soaking. Angela Jolene. Dice them a 2 or 3, 2 of them a drip. She wet up herself, drip. When her lipstick pan a big, she shock. Don't move, me take a pic, then climb on the thing, wine till it chip. She said she not in and not know with this. She can't go and go with this. She do the cream like when a biscuit.
I'm going to tell you, say them things, say elephant calm down in the carrion or something. No,
Yo.
So, what the people them can look out different from them song? What you are doing at the corona time, keeping yourself busy? And
well, corona time videos, we had the video for all the song, them video for. We just had to do the video for the warm up where you just play. We just had to do the video for tell me you want me to turn up the party. Yeah. We already do the video for she do it. We already do the video for Magical. Magical the 4 million and add. If you type in Elephant Magical, it's the 4 million and add now views. We don't already do the video for Italian Badness. We already do the video for Blessing Rhythm, that's the BMW Rhythm, Boom Boom Rhythm. We already do the video. Like we do the video for most of them. They say now we're shooting videos for warm up and tell me you want party banger.
Yeah. So the blessings you're talking about, blessings. So I'm gonna drop that song also to the people that can promotional. We are dropping the song them as we call them.
You know the champ go. Make the money elevate, no boss up. Radiate from the place where them class up. Some rich have many on my wrist.
From the gully to way up at the right.
New brand me man just start up. Button press straight down to the spark plug. Bean up, butter leather. Soft so. Them say they can't see. Nah, so. Everything loud in the BM. Darkest thing that mean me can't see them futuristic. Digital algorithm. AC cool, Antarctica we live in. 156 on the dash. Fast life, fast drive. Hope we no crash. Can I say them look?
This is a production of Boom Boom Duck.
All courtesy of Boom Boom. Big up World Team. Big up Boom Boom. Big up Harry Hype. World Team. Theme Rhythm. BMW Rhythm. So you don't know we support to a support to a dancer. So we keep the support going for each other. We never cut that out of music yet. You understand?
For real. So never touch upon the cooking. So come by elephant. That's some curry enough to go and you know?
Yo, hear me and say. If you go cooking, you can't run no cooking joke, you know, cause you 5 of my baby mother them when me get a cooking, give me them. 5 of my baby mother them, we give me 5 of my beautiful kids, a cooking, give me them.
Yeah.
When you go cooking, you attack elephant, me attack girl a bite off the bowl of them right hand. Girl a bite off right hand. Spoon a broke in her mouth. Fork a broke in her mouth. That's all. Yeah, man. Big chef, man. Big top chef. Yeah, man. Them can't tell you, man.
So what's
you can't run a cooking joke round here, so with me.
So what's one of your favorite dish you know say any girl you cook it? I eat that.
Alright. Don't make me go steam, swim around, because we not do fish. Steam, swim around. We do not do fish, we do swim around. So don't make me go steam, swim around with yellow, banana, caramel dumpling, and piece of sweet potato on the side.
Ladies,
don't make me go. Don't listen me now. Listen me. Yeah. Don't make me go curry chicken and gungo rice and peas. Don't make me do it. Don't make me go brown stew chicken and red rice and peas. Do not make me go oxtail and white rice. Don't make me go stew peas. We are do to me. It's hard something when I give. Listen me. I not give the national dish. I not give the tin mackerel and sardine. None of them because lack I cook in there. That me kind of lack my eye and just black. I mean, I fry egg and boiled porridge. Them they are joke. Me I tell you about cook.
Yeah. So
you understand? I'm cooking
if you come to elephant one day and himself are going in the kitchen.
Over man, fall in love. Not leaving because the ladies them love a man who take care of them. My youth, you cannot have your woman in your yard and you lie down in the bed, you're not go who can sleep the longest. No, get up out of your bed and go look for something for the woman. Make sure the house clean. Make sure the AC blow up on her. Make sure she up in the bed and I smell it and I say, Jesus Christ, I way back cook me. I go like me asleep said we come. I don't want to go down there. I wait till it's done. Jamaica girl them body now. Jamaica girl them just say, me not go down there yet. I walk past him at the G-String and mad him. Me I stay in the bed first. Me I see how gentleman he's going to be. Because the girl them test your gentleman skill. And say if you go bring them food, with them water, with them juice, plus ice of the juice, them water have to be halfway cold. Don't give them a frozen water, give them.
So Ellie, we see how you move with a good daughter everywhere you there, daughter. I like how the road man.
Come say hi to the world. Come here now. Watch our shy thought. Hurry up, my Ellie. Say hi. You good? All right.
All right, big up yourself, Ellie. Like how the road man. You know, say you're dead and show up far the road, you know what I mean? So,
you have to remember, say.
We are checking that now do them fatherly duty.
Bro. Yo, brother, remember saying no, we do all of that thing there road already where we give a friend them enough of time where you there road and be a man NEC and Ray. Bro, go sit down and find some time with your picnic them, bro, and Bill and Trill and them thing there, bro. You understand, bro? That's how the world around wicked. As you quint a man pull up on a car and a shootout and people are dead. Bro, go par with your picnic them and shed some other love there and you and them all a vibe and all a energy and all it. You know, for everywhere and 3 million man and them thing there. So we already do enough of that. We do enough of that. What we are with friend them par and we they all about. The youth them come first and you have to show the fatherly love there and make them know say, yeah. You understand? Because see that me tell you, see the little girl right now, the whole Jamaica they are mourning because we now look for this raping something from ages and it shouldn't even start from the beginning. But them thing they ages ago, them thing they rape where rape ago. You know too much girl dash way back road. I self yard 500, 700 people I have draw where people look a picnic, hey boy. The police them for us to beat you till hey. You understand? So we come from the morning. So you know, big up the father them and big up the mother them.
For stuff like this to happen, like this, on the raping and stuff. If you had an opinion on how to change this or to make it more of a thing that if you do this will happen, what would be your opinion to be this change?
Like, for me, I would say mother and father, no care if the youth them grow up or when them are 20, we still treat them like them are a baby. Because, because you can't be too, like, get to know what going on in them life. Which man you talk to if it's a girl? My youth, which girl you talk to if it's a boy? Where you do, my youth? My girl, where you do? Where you go? You go now, where are you going? Stay in them things, stay on top of it. Make them trust you enough to tell you things, Make them rate you enough like that. Par with them like how you par with your bridging them and rain. Me bring Ailey go everywhere in the world. Don't afraid to tell me nothing. You're my daughter. Don't afraid to tell me nothing. You're my son. Just know say me that if I protect you and Ray. So me give you a look at heads up. Mommy I gonna know. Mommy can't find me. Then no the boy Ray she did say Harry me did say. Yeah, get boy. So I think that we need to stay close to the youth them. Not through them reach 19 and Ray and go on like them are big people and them will get 50. You have to still up in them life and read with them like a virgin, treat them good. Yeah, bro, and just stay up on track with information and certain things with them. Read with them like, oh, you'd read with your virgin, or you'd read with your woman, or you'd read with never you read with the woman, because we now go so deep with picking them with that, or we read with the woman. But like how you read with your sister. You understand, brother? So still, make your daughter not afraid to say certain things to your car. Tell her, say, hey, babes, me see on them girl, where you go? Where you go? Oh, the man there, me see a car come, I did, come out there. No make them afraid to tell you nothing, because anything do them, we're gonna need to know where to go, who to call, what move to make certain. You understand?
So ladies and gentlemen, here, you can listen to Elias say, listen to me.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Because the youth them and 19 and 20, them are still with baby them, we still have to treat them with tender care, we still have to, reason with them, have time. You can't too busy if you talk to them. Stop them, cook some food, and them reason over a glass, red wine, whatever she want drink, water, where him want drink. I want to just read and talk and make them not afraid of you and just make them know say you're a human being like them and you have understanding and we can reason, And yeah, keep the link there.
Candice and the whole family. Yeah, Ellie, right now, we don't want too much in a year life. If you were to tell the world something that you think that they never know or never know this about you, what would be this one?
I'm a loving person. Ladies, I'm a loving person. I'm a loving person. Like we might come off hardcore, but I'm a loving person. I'm a loving person, like I'm down to earth. I'm a nice person to hang out with. I'm a people person, can reason, have good time, yeah.
So the people have never known.
Sometimes, I remember say, people look for artists like the whole artist fraternity are gunman because the image where the artists them bring across more time than the video them and certain thing and people embarrassed too much gun tune and array, but sometimes them not live the life where you see them show up on the video or certain thing. Them just do it because more time a man I say, boy, the people them relate to this because of that I go on and I get to and them I show a certain side of the thing. But yeah, of course, we are nice people, man. And
do you believe that I heard that the system is saying that the artists are make the man them kill people and song. Do you believe that is one of the problems?
If me and you if talk the truth, people been dead before we born.
I understand.
You have election, you have all of them something. The people are dead before we born. Massacre go on before we born. So I can't music nice from way back when come right up from Bob Marley them. So I know music make nobody nothing. I just man get up and go do what them want to do. You understand? I just some of them man were full of demon and them now trod on the godly part and them now have no God in them and them not have no angel around them for them angel fly a long time. The part where them are walk dark. You understand? You can see it upon them too. There's no life. Them not flourish. You're looking at them face. You not see nothing. Them face dry out and suck out and them just think they're evil and them just want you end up like them. And if you might look like you flourish in a life more than them want to cut you down on them things. That's why more time see out of some of them evil away because trust me, the demon them a walk on earth and them there enough. You understand, bro? You can't move too carefree. You have to just know what you do and just read the Bible, go in your bed, give thanks when you wake up, and just, yeah, make the Almighty know, say, yo, give me knowledge and me know, say, you're dead. Some people don't remember, say, no God not there. Some people just wake up and just live. Some people not happy, say, no God there till, oh, me have corona. Oh, God, help me, Jesus. Oh, me crash, my foot broke. Whoa, God, my foot. That's the only time when I know God. When I go, man, God right through. In a them wicked time, people, we need him. You understand? We need him when nothing happen. We need him when we are right. We need him when times are down. We need him when times are up. We need him right through. So yeah, man. So just let God in your life.
Go. Yeah. I want you to give the people that are at home because of whole corona pandemic and more you give them an energy vibes to them because them things stress people in. A lot of people lose a lot and a stress and just the home, you know?
Yeah.
So more you give them a little bit of motivation and tell them say elephant there for them too.
From me, the energy God to you, I just got to say right now, to the world where I fight COVID, everybody with the home, everybody with a whole vibe, if you're on the live, whatever you do, we just make you know, say, sometimes it's hard, but try and you'll make it, believe you me, yeah. In order to achieve, go forth and take it, set yourself free. Remember, when obstacle is in your way, make war before you rise. And if you really want good, you know that you run. So get up and keep your eyes on the prize and try. Step up in life and go for what you know. You don't know, just keep on trying.
Right now, we want done this for the hype song. One of the baddest dancing songs, shizzle and nizzle. Why you just put up the camera and place and give it the performance and we just done it to the back. Put it up somewhere. Let's smash it up.
Play the big tune. Play the big tune. We're going to dance down the place, all right?
Which one you want?
We're going to dance down the place and done. Since tomorrow we dance down the place. All right.
Acapella style, no? Acapella we are going to do.
Oh, my boy, I'm trying to talk about Rihanna acapella, Ima. Acapella. All right, acapella around the pool.
Yes, man.
Tell them when they're ready, you know.
It's a wacky on the teacher about ties about the piece. Everybody in the streets that knows how to go the creeper. People who don't think that you see all that they are reason about when you hear the beat.
You move up your shoulder, move your foot them like a roller, make up your fist just like a creature. Do the goalie creeper, goalie getting deeper and the hill them getting steeper. Dancing, yo, Ellie, come on, man. Overprint this panna Sunday in a me yard, panna. Where you think say? It done there? I write out on the fun. The cars be a dancer that come there, say chink cap it on the ground. The early chop the bomb there. No bother bust no. Them ya dance you better know. Them watch early type for sure. Them move your foot, go by your toe. Them cars are road this have the it and go off it. Early, go the creek no man.
Go the early, bust a dance, early, bust a dance, early.
Early I shy out. And you know say, we have to just tell everybody say. It's a pleasure, and you don't know, anytime you say interview, anytime.
Blessings. Anytime. Thank you for being here and shape love, just tell it up. Right now, big up Dancehall Room for making it possible, big up Elephant Man for building and you know, some go drop back the song where Elia run with now, because we have to promote the team, our teamwork by the dreamwork, you know, so you know what the song about, and the song we may run with name, Warm Up. And the next time when name
Warm Up and Party Banger.
Party banger. All right. Well, now, go on, drop warm up so the people are sticking at their brain right now. So people, guess what? Yes, to that song, yeah.
You know the chop go. I love to see the girls them wine.
Ladies,
Tell all the girls them a wine time. Every girl start one warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up, baby, warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up, warm up, baby, warm up. No, she say. I'm too thing. See you asking me, pussy stand up and I do two things. When you look, give me the whole thing. Put a whistle, that baby, roll back, girl.
the song is entitled Warm Up. So we just go to the song, right? It is out. You never just log on to the live. That's a name Warm Up. Your article is image radio. That's a name Warm Up. Go support. Call on Elephant Man on Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter. Everybody just. And Elephant said, Mama Sack was the girl them not doing.
Yo, cause boy, you know the chap go. She said, hey, no shot when we breathe. Why? Me say, girl, where you mean? Where you mean? She said,
all my beautiful ladies out there, what you doing? And them sucker go search some songs.
When them out the road, when them on that is shit. Them a break, 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 them a fucking break. Anything where you want, you will reach, you will tweet, you know, see them on your thing. You know the chop go.
It's not just a little more. It's a little chop.
Y'all make your booty bounce. Y'all make your booty bounce. So make your booty bounce. Y'all make your booty bounce. Make it up your so bad. Y'all police a come and y'all go get shot. Till they got police a come. Head top, y'all blood clot. Touch a no. Steady, and she never drop a.
The thing's an elephant. Don't never play it one more time before I go.
You know the chop go. You know the chop go. She's a dancing, I'm hurting. So I invite her over. Hey, y'all make your booty bounce. Y'all make your booty bounce. Make it up your so bad. Y'all police a come and y'all go get shot. Till they got police a come. Head top, y'all blood clot. Touch a no. Steady, and she never drop a drum. But y'all me say you make a cut and rum. But y'all me say you make a cock. Yo, y'all you dancing, turn up. Y'all you dancing, turn up. You broke it cocky, y'all you're the nervous, y'all. You like it dancing. Hey, she dancing, turn up. She a yanny, cause she full of curves up. You too bad, y'all full of turns up. She like it dancing. Work on the body, them on them. Wine on this thing, you wanna.
And this is the song that you know, so we're going to end it with. So, Elephant, I want to thank you for being here today with us on TEAMBLUE Image Radio on the Chill Spot. So, we have a link here. We have 2 bad rhythm out here. So, we want to link there with us. No?
Yeah, man. Anytime you're ready, man. Big up dancehall room. Big up everybody who was on the live. Big up everybody that don't know the thing already. Peace up.
All right,
Energy
people.
God.
Chop. All right, but
Chop.
next week,
Man.
same time, same place, we're going to be having the beautiful lady as a linet. You know the thing, go? So, you know, just check out for the next week program. This has been a beautiful Saturday afternoon, and I hope you enjoyed yourself. You know the thing, go, though? So, I'm going to play one more Ellie from, you know that's something they said, right?
But you know the chop go. 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 She said dancing a hurting, so I invite her over. Come here, girl. Hey, girl, make your booty bounce. Hey. Girl, make your booty bounce, make it bounce. You're so bad, girl. Police a come, and you go get shot. Really got piece of club. Hey, head top, girl, blood. And on, hey, steady, and she never drop a drum. Whoa, bad girl, me say you make that cock and hey, bad girl, me say you make that cock, yo. Turn up. Him turn up. I do not know. Hey, I need to stop curves. You come here, turns. Dancing. Body them mad. Wanna be bad. Me we I know bird. Grab. But are you friends for me? Look the energy.
Next week, same time, same place. Remember, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and also YouTube. Big up Dancehall Room for making everything possible. Big up the Energy God. Big up everyone that has made it to this beautiful interview. Next week, same time, same place. The beautiful lady as a lineage is going to be in the building.
Dancing.
You know this, next Saturday. You know the thing, all right?
Girl,
make your booty.
Make it bounce. You're so bad, girl.
Make your booty.
Come
Thank you. If you're not following us as yet, just follow us right now. Right now.
Steady.
Just follow us, like some stuff. If you have an artist who you think is a worthy artist of being the next hit thing, just give me a link to him. Just sit down here on the chill spot and just do what I do, right? Remember to follow the Dancehall Room. Bless up again in the Dancehall Room. Alfonso, the beautiful lady out of England. Big up yourself, mama, everything good. Also, you can go check out our Team Entertainment merch on teamentertainment.com. Pop on over there. We'll put something over there for everybody, so they know what to do. Next week. Same time, same place. I gotta go.
Call you, I'll pick up. Boy, stop call. She's busy. Think now me with thumping on your face.